How to change Instagram notification ringtone. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application and make sure that you have the latest version of Instagram application on your device. Here, as you can see on the screen, there is no option of update over here, which means we have the latest version of Instagram application. So after checking on that, we're going to go back to the home screen and make a long press on Instagram. Here, tap on the app info option and it will lead us to a new page. Now just scroll down and tap on the option of notifications. As you tap on notifications, just scroll down and here you can see the option of Instagram Direct over here. As you tap on that, you can see the option of sound where you can see different options regarding the ringtones or the notification ringtone. You can select among whichever you want. You can also choose from your local ringtone, and after you select on any of this ringtone, you can just go back and it will be saved over here. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.